cute cat on my head. Look how adorable he is. I love him. I want one. I seriously want one of these little pussycats. Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. So I think it's day 22, I think. So we're like 3 weeks in, getting on okay, just keeping myself busy, as you would have seen from yesterday's video. At least it looks nice and tidy in here now. Loving how the craft room feels, so I can feel like I can be more productive. So that was really therapeutic yesterday, so that was a lot of fun in the end. I got there. Actually, I don't find tidying up the craft room a chore because I love it when everything gets put in its place. So I have a few hellos to do today and a couple of things to cover. So the first thing is hi to TaylorMade Journals. I actually, the video I did yesterday, I used a little girl on the postcard, and I said I couldn't remember where they were from, but I did put a link, and they were from TaylorMade Journals. So please take a look at her Etsy shop because they are fantastic, and I have quite a few of her printables, but they are delicious, absolutely delicious, and you get loads, especially in that one that I showed yesterday. You do get a lot of little figures and ladies, and oh my gosh, amazing, delicious. So hi to TaylorMade Journals. Also hi to Tammy from TC's Paper Blessings. They have said that they're going to take part in the pick and mix, so we're looking forward to your 5 picks, Tammy. 5 picks. Also, she did a lovely long message telling me about a couple of her friends, and one of the ladies, one of her friends, is 90 years old, and how she would tell stories of London and England, and yeah, just wonderful to hear those stories. So please keep them coming. I love to hear about everything. So yeah, she was telling wonderful stories about a 90-year-old friend who's from the UK and tells many stories, you butt in the camera, of her life in England, and that really made me smile. So thank you for that. Also hello to Carol Hodson, thank you for watching. Hi to Sugar Ray Crafts, and also hi to Gail Tuthill. So thank you, and hi to everybody as well. But these are new names that I'm seeing, so thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. So we have Christine and Judith have given me their 5 picks for the pick and mix. I need more people to take part in this week's pick and mix because I don't want Christine's. Trust me, I don't. So I need a bit more choice here, please, because I'll tell you why. Christine picked out texture paste, which I am so not looking forward to doing. Silk flowers, dyed paper, stencils and buttons. And then Judith picked out memory cards, ribbon, cardstock, vintage lace and punches. Now Liz usually takes part, but Liz, I don't think you've given me your 5, or if I missed your message again, I'm not sure. And like I said, TC's Paper Blessings has also said that they are going to take part. Now the other thing I have to tell you about, I haven't done Monday's pick and mix yet. I did Christine's from last week. So the 5 things that I've picked out for this week's was stencils, alphabet stamps, bows, sequins and coffee filters. Now I spent half of yesterday trying to find my coffee filters. I cannot find them anywhere. I do not know what happened to them. What happened was Christine had picked coffee filters not last week, the week before, and it reminded me I had some. So I didn't see them, but I remembered I had some, so I wrote it down and put them in the bag. Whereas a lot of other things I've looked, seen them and written down. Do you know what? I can't find them anywhere. I have searched high and low in every box. So what I'm going to do is pull out another thing from the bag And hope I don't get texture paste, because this will not be funny. If I pull out texture paste, I will probably cry. After all that, no texture paste. Right, we're going in. We're going in. We're going in. Don't give me texture paste. Please be kind. Please be kind. Please be kind. Ah, paper dolls. Yeah. Paper dolls, paper dolls, paper dolls. We love Tim Holtz. Paper dolls, paper dolls. Look what we got, Charles. Paper dolls, no texture paste. Christine Mortimer. Right, so no coffee filters, I am afraid, and I'm going to leave this out for now until I find them. So I'm going to put that just there. So we now have paper dolls, bows, alphabet stamps, stencils, and sequins. That's more like it. I don't know where my coffee filters have gone, honestly. It is beyond me. It is beyond me. So I think I've covered everything. I probably will be back later. I'm going to do some book page projects to keep you busy, and also I have the pick and mix to do as well. So maybe I might get on with that, and maybe do some unfinished projects as well, because I have found some. And also, as you can see, my RAS cogs here with my Project Life cards. And then you can't see here, let me, I don't know, I can't turn the camera on. I have another RAS cog which was in my corner, which I've pulled out, which has got all my Happy Planner stickers, and I'll show you probably in the next video, because I can't turn it around. Actually, I can turn it around. 1 second. Right, hi, I am back. So this is my other RAS cog, and what I have done in here are all my Happy Planner stickers and my altered books that I put stickers in. These are just inspirational books to inspire you for things to write about. And the trouble is, these were all in a bookshelf in my bedroom, and then we decorated, so they all got boxed up. So of course I can't be inspired if they are all there. So I now have them all out, and then I have my other RAS cog just here. But what's great about the RAS cogs is, if I need to get into that drawer, I just push the RAS cog out of the way. Well, that one's a bit heavy, but you know what I mean, they move. So it's not ideal, but you know what, it's portable, so it means I can actually use it, because it was in this corner, which I now have put my lights, which means that I now do not knock my lights over, because they were in this corner. Excuse the desk, I have messed it up, I'm sorting more stuff out. What was happening was, I couldn't actually get into my drawers, and then I have wasted space. Look, I have room in that drawer, whereas because my lights were here and they're tripods, I couldn't actually get in my drawers. So now look, I have space now to put more things. I think I've got some, look, that one has lots of space, so I now have more drawers. So that is fantastic. Yeah, I have just messed up my table because I pulled the stuff out from that corner. So we need to put this stuff away and get this desk back, don't we, Charles? You ignoring me? Hello. Right, okay, so I'm going to go. I will be back later on. I hope you like my RAS cogs. Aren't they super sexy? Look at them. So I shall see you all very, very soon. Probably later on today. So take care from me and from Mr. Charles. See you later. Bye-bye.